In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and just go ahead and search for Amazon affiliate. Now, once you've done that, you want to click onto the top result. So the affiliate program is called Amazon Associates. So it should be the top result. So just click onto this to be taken to the official website. Now, when you come across to the website, you're going to see a yellow sign up button. Make sure you are selected onto the correct country. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, for myself, I'm in the UK, but you might be in a different country. So you want to select that from the list because when you sign up for an account with Amazon, the affiliate account is linked to the country that you signed up in. So as an example, because I'm in the UK, this is just going to be for the UK. If I wanted to do one for Spain, I would need to set up an individual account. So once you've done that, press the yellow sign up button. And at this point, it may ask you to log in to your account. So you just want to do that next. And once you've logged in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. So the first thing it's going to ask is to who they should issue the payments. Now, it should automatically pick up your Amazon account if you do have one. If it's not this person that you want to send the payments to, what you can do is come down and click on to select different address. Underneath, it's going to ask who is the main contact for this account, so whether that's the pay listed with this address or someone else, in which case you're going to need to enter their information. And for US tax purposes, you need to confirm if you are a US person. So basically, if you are living in the US, if you're a US citizen, you want to select yes. If you're outside of the US, go ahead and select no, and then just come down and click the yellow next button at the bottom. On the next screen, it's going to ask if you have any websites or mobile apps. So if you do have any websites, so for example, I do have a website. So what I'm going to do is just put my website into here. And then I'm going to click the add button, and it's going to be the same if you do have a mobile app or an Alexa skill. You just want to put the URL into here. And once you've done that, come down and press next at the bottom. So next, it's going to ask you to choose a preferred associate's ID. So this is just for identification. I'm just going to put test. Then it's going to ask to tell about the content you create. So if you do have like a blog or like, for example, a news website or something like that, you just want to put a brief description in here. So I'm just going to put test. Then it's going to ask which of the following best describes your content. So you want to select from the options, whether that's like a blog, a content website, a comparison shopping engine, and so on and so forth. Then it's going to ask, how did you hear about us? So you want to click onto this and choose where you heard about us, whether that's word of mouth, from the actual website or blog post. And finally, you just want to go ahead and complete the audio capture down at the bottom. So once you've done that, make sure you tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions of the Associates Program Operating Agreement. I've already read through this, but you can click the link and read through that if you want to, and then come down and press the yellow finish button. So after a minute or two, it's going to confirm that your account has been created. As you can see, it says congrats, thank you for applying to the Associates Program. Once you generate 3 qualified sales, our team will review the websites or social accounts associated with your application to ensure that you are in compliance with the Amazon.co.uk Associate Program Operating Agreement. So that is all good to go. As mentioned at the start of the tutorial, this is only for the UK. I've created one. As you can see underneath, it's given me the option to sign up for Amazon's other EU associate programs. So again, if I wanted to do affiliate marketing in Spain or something like that, you've got some options here. So you do need to create a separate affiliate account for each country if that's something you want to do. If we scroll down slightly further, you can see there's an option to enter your payment and tax information. You can do this now or later. It's completely optional. And a bit further down the page, there's just some product links and an education center, just basically some further information on how you can go ahead and create money with the Amazon Associates Program. So that is how to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.